graders. We are going to do our Greek and Latin roots. We are on Unit 16 today. And so for Unit 16, your hint is the nature of the beast. And our roots for this week are going to be anim, carn, and phys. So make sure you take out your Greek and Latin roots notebook so that you're writing down your notes that you can use on our next assessment. Our first root this week is anim. It is a Latin root that means spirit, soul, or life. Our second root is carn, which is a Latin root meaning meat or flesh. And phys is a Greek root meaning nature. And so our words for this week, we're going to start with an easy one, animal. An animal is a living thing that is not a human being or plant, and it has the root anim in it. My friend, who believes that animals have souls, has become a vegan, so she will only eat food that comes from plants. Animate has the root anim in it, or to bring to life, so it's to make someone or something lively or excited, to make a drawing appear to move. The cartoon made several drawings to animate the hot air balloon and showed that it appeared to float away. Animator has the root anim in it, meaning to bring to life. It's a person who creates animated movies and cartoons. So when you create those animations, I'm bringing those inanimate things to life. I'm always so impressed by how an animator can make a fictitious character move and act so realistically. Our next word is inanimate. An inanimate object, so it has that root anim or life, but it also has a prefix in, meaning the opposite. So the opposite of life. It's not capable of life. It's a non-living thing. So an inanimate object would be like a chair. It's something that doesn't have life in it. It just doesn't move. Carnivorous has the root carn, meaning meat in it. It's used to describe an animal that eats meat. So carnivorous would be like a lion. A lion preys on the unsuspecting gazelles that are grazing in the open field. Our next word is reincarnate. So rein, to happen again, that re prefix. Carn is meat, but basically it also means body or life. So it's to be born again with a different body after death. Some religions believe that after you die, your soul will reincarnate with a different body. Physical has the root phys in it, relating to the body of a person instead of the mind, existing in a form that you can touch or see. So if there's something that is physical, you can actually reach out and touch it. Lindsay could hardly feel the physical pain after her fall because she was so embarrassed that she tripped in front of her friends. Physician has the root phys in it, meaning body. It's a medical doctor, a person who looks at the body. So the physician stitched up my wound and told me to rest for the evening. Physics, having to do with nature, that phys, a science that deals with matter and energy and the way that they interact with heat, light, electricity, and sound. So specifically that matter and energy that happens in nature is physics. So we're currently studying the laws of gravity in physics. A physicist has the root phys in it. Physicist is just a person who studies, a scientist who studies physics, or those laws of nature like gravity. Albert Einstein is one of the most accomplished physicists ever. And that is all of our words for this week for Unit 16. Please make sure you've written them down in your notebook and you keep those. Thanks for watching.